Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Single Line Code. So today I'll be talking about one more trick in Excel, which is very handy, that is sum product. So I'll tell you step by step how we generally do stuff in Excel and how sum products like eases our work, right? It will ease our work of doing multiple steps in a Excel dashboard, or say Excel issue or Excel problems. So let's start. So I want to know my total price, or like total investment I am doing in for buying in the particular items. So what we do is generally we do it like price into quantity to know the total amount spent, right? Price into quantity, and then I drag it down, and then what I do sum of the total amount spent to get my total amount spent, which is around 2 lakhs. Now, what does sum product do? Sum product will simplify this. Just write sum product, take the first array, take the array 1 as the price. Sorry. Yeah, I've taken a long price. The price, comma, quantity, and just enter. That's it. How easy. Excel has made our life easy, man, with this sort of formulas. Now, this was one of the easiest example. Now let's go to an example which is used in our daily reporting schedule, or you can say in a daily work, you have to use some product, and how you can relate your work. Let's see with another example. Let's go to sheet 3, which has an example. Same table with items, same items, right? Save the price column and the quantity column. Now I want, if you see, the items out here are 9 and there are selected items 8. I only want my total amount spent for these items, and I don't have to manually go and what do you call find the value and then put the value using B2, B3, B4. No, I don't want it like this. I just want sum product to simplify this problem. So how shall we do this? I want, there are 8 items and here there are 9 items. I only want for this particular item, I want the total amount spent. So how shall I do? Let's see. Equal to sum product. Let's say you have, now we will do one trick here. Follow along, guys. I'll open a bracket. I'll select the particular I'll select a particular array, which is my item, and then what I will do, I'll select my car, then we have to take our array 1, comma, array 2, close the bracket, and see the magic, guys. 100. If you miss out on the parenthesis, Excel is smart enough to catch that parenthesis and fix that error. By the way, I'll do it again. The sum product to show you guys. Sum product. Open this. Take this as range. Take the first value as car, close the parenthesis, into take the first array, comma, second array. Now you have to see the parenthesis, guys. This I have closed, this I have another parenthesis will go because one for no one parenthesis only. Right, one parenthesis. See, I have got the value for car, total amount spent for car. Now you have to do one more trick here. I'll show you what trick. Let's drag it down. Can you find what is the error? I would not say error. I say why my light is coming as 0? Because it tried to reference the item list and it did not find light. So it is coming as list. So sorry, it is coming as 0. You can see how amount I have spent in football. Let's see. Is it the same amount? Okay, I'm getting. You can also verify for French fries. 2000 into 5 is 10,000, right? So that's how it works. You can also, what do you call, select this range and put, what do you call, function F4. You lock the cell. You can also lock this particular cell, function F4, and lock this particular cell so that it does not change if the range, or I would say let's do it here itself, so that my range remains constant and only the item which I want to iterate that changes, right? So this one function F4. And guys, if you don't know the shortcut for locking the cell, it's function F4, by the way. Yeah. So I think now again, if you drag it, it will be the same thing. You'll not have that right hand column which we're the green color thing which we're getting, right? You can do that. So that's it, guys. Small video on some product. I hope this benefits you in your real-time work, specifically in office. Thank you, guys, for watching. Do stay tuned for more videos.